Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Working on the heat gun again. The cord cap's got that broken or snipped off prong on the ground. And it also has a bad section of wire right here where it goes into the strain relief connector. Now I checked the rest of the cord and the rest of the cord's fine. So I'm hoping, since this is 14.3 type SJO, it's an expensive cord. It's also a pretty good cord. I'm hoping to be able to recover this and make this work better just by taking it apart, sliding the strain relief further down the wire, reattaching the wire inside the gun. Maybe I can make it work that way. I also have a new cord cap to put on here, and that should make this a fully operational piece of equipment, fully safed out, all grounded and up to code. First thing I have to do is disassemble this handle. Now, I'm not sure exactly how this does come apart. It's attached into this, but there's no separation here. So I probably have to take this out and look at the switch inside there, see if there's some kind of a screw or some device like that that's holding everything together. Because with that screw out, I was hoping to be able to disassemble the handle, but it doesn't come apart and I don't want to break it up here. Got a stripped out screw head. Hopefully I'll be able to get it to come loose without having to do major surgery on it. The Phillips head has been damaged, pretty severely damaged, but I should be able to use it again. When I run into one of those, these replaceable tips, when they're brand new, they have enough of an edge that they'll catch even into a damaged Phillips head and let me drive it out. There's some kind of clip down in there. this piece of insulation wrapped down inside there to keep it from touching up against the body of the heat gun. It looks like it's some kind of an E-ring. Certainly feels like an E-ring. Well, that's keyed so it won't turn. That's not going to want to release. It's definitely a metallic piece, and since this housing is aluminum, and the handle is plastic, I'm picking up that as an iron snap ring. Reaching down in there with this hook, I can catch a hold of the end of it. But I can't get it to release. Can't get it to spin around either. Normally I would spin this in this position and get the opening towards the front and then push it back to knock that E-ring out. That seems to have moved it. I was able to get the E-ring clip to pop up, and so now I'm going to be able to take that handle out. It flew, but not far. But disassembly, totally different problem. Let's see if we can get this out of there now. Pull one side loose and the other side comes with it. That's good. Well, the nut is still in there, I believe, but I don't know that it's in good condition. I burned up the whole hour that I had set aside for this project and only got the handle pulled off. I'll have to get back to this again later. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.